Hi traders, here is our live trading session update. We're going to be taking a look, as we usually do, on the weekly trading positions on the different various instruments here, on the Bitcoin, on the crypto, on the commodities like gold and GBP. We've been doing this every week. We're going to be seeing how those positions are, what are the close positions that we have done, and also we're going to be taking a look at what are the potential trade setups as well. This and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. It is Stu Narpan here, founder of Master the Markets Illiteracy Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are, traders, on these 9 instruments here that we have that we weekly look at. Let's see how they're doing as we are taking these positions in real time. And as you know, we update this every single week as well. It's all put onto our Master the Markets 2010 channel on Trading View. And under the ideas, you can take a look at them. We are updating that actually every day, actually, on some of the trading positions, like on the cable, which I'll be looking at as well. And every week, we also give you this weekly update video as well. Okay, so for example, the last one, if I take a look, oh, yeah, it's all the way down, isn't it? Live trading session 233, that's where we looked at on this weekly session update. Okay, Master the Markets 2010 channel is what you can be looking at. Right, so let's take a look on Bitcoin. As you can see, always remember, I always say, right, define trend, define phase. Yeah, so in terms of that, this is an uptrend, phase 2 at the moment, very big sell-off, okay, over here, that the public will usually get scared about, and media will be publishing it left, right, and center as well. I just want to take a quick look on the monthly as well, traders, just to get an overview of where we are. So at the moment, it's still an uptrend. It's a phase 1 at the moment, right, on the monthly time frame. So this could just be a little bit of a pullback on the monthly time frame before it shoots up. I still feel there's a lot of open equity left, so I believe in the long run it should go up. But coming back to the weekly for shorter term trades that we're taking a look at, but in terms of trend and phase, yeah, it's still uptrend, phase 2. So looking for this bottom to hold, right? So that's what we're saying. Our initial order that we looked at didn't get full, so we canceled the order. We updated that also on our channel, as if you've been following us, right? So on this, Bitcoin low is going to be holding. So all that, we've updated it over there, and bottom is not held on weekly as well, because it crashed through, to wait and see if the new potential bottom on daily holds and confirms, right? So that's why we're taking a look over here. So we got to wait and see if this bottom confirms on the daily, or it holds. If it doesn't and take out this, then there's a trend change. It will become a downtrend. It's what we call a price structural failure. Now we got all of this easily identifiable because of the smart money indicator that we have, which follows the smart money framework. In fact, we did a lot of videos on this in our streams section. So if you go under stream section over here, you can take a look at the 7 steps for strategy construction. But more or less, for the smart money indicator, take a look at consistent trading performance. Okay, over here, start watching it from part 1 onwards. I'll put the reference links on the other pages as well. Okay, on when we finally publish this video. Sure, when those test videos are coming out, I'll check with the team. Anyway, so coming back over here, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone. In terms of Bitcoin, so we will look on a daily time frame. My only concern, traders, out of this is that yeah, we'll wait for a smart money bottom to confirm. I'm seeing some good volume here on the daily, so there could be a footprint of the smart money coming in. And also if I put the VSA light as well, indicator, that would tell me also that is designed by the trade guided team, which we work a lot with on the VSA in the volume and price volume. Some potential buying here, they're signifying, and where the volume came in as well. So now we'll wait for that to settle, see if it confirms with a dot by the smart money indicator which we've designed, and which is based on the cycle framework. Very, very important, which I reference quite a lot under the streams, under the 7 steps to achieve consistent trading performance. Okay, right. Okay, so that's what we got over here on the Bitcoin. So we just got to wait. We just got to see. Okay, just to see. Yeah, bottom has not held. That we say. Let's see this one. I'll just edit that very quickly. To wait and see if the new potential bottom on daily, if the new potential bottom on weekly is confirmed on the daily time frame. Okay, so that's what I will see. Good volume spike on the daily time frame to indicate some buying pressure coming in. Okay, so I'll put that in the yellow just for me to see that there's something else coming up over there. Let me just put the date in as well so that we know as of. We'll keep updating this, check on our ideas as well so that you guys will know. Right, so that one is done there, traders. So Bitcoin there. And then Ethereum. When we take a look at Ethereum, let's just take a look at that. Right, so over here, what we have on the weekly time frame, there has been a trend change, right? Because price structural failure, remember I told you this, because of the smart money indicator, very easy to see that. You can see that it came up uptrend here, but then it didn't sustain and it took out that low. Okay, so there's a trend change here at the moment. So what we would do is, this was where the confirmation bar came for the weekly time frame. This one here. So at this point, this is a downtrend phase 1. And so what we will take a look at over here is, we'll wait for continuation moves now, right? So wait for continuation, look out for continuation moves. Look out for continuation moves on daily in alignment with the weekly time frame. Okay, take short trades as weekly is GTP1. Okay, downtrend phase 1 at the moment. Most of our clients will understand that. Okay, good. So that's what I got. So in a nutshell, what I have is, I've got a downtrend phase 1 over here, and I'm just checking that on the daily. And what I really need now is for this bottom to confirm where there's some potential buying, as indicated by the volume spread analysis indicator designed by a trade guided team. Once I get some kind of a confirmation, then that phase 2 is confirmed, that is a downtrend, then I'm looking for the phase 1 to confirm, and I can ride it on the weekly as a continuation move. Okay, traders. Right, so that's that one there. Now, some of you are already sending me some messages saying, Tiro, some of these terminologies I'm not really understanding and all that. So what I recommend is, you can go to our Master the Markets channel over here at the top, right? And then there will be a link here to get to our 5-day video course, which has been put together by 12 years of collated research and 40 years of our cumulative team experience. And then just copy this link onto the browser here, and you will land up on this page over here, Trader Starter Pack, right? So then you can just take a look at that, put in and register for it. It's totally free. And then you can understand all these terminologies which are put together for both beginner and intermediate traders, okay? So we can understand and follow us through all these terminologies. Really good quality content. That's why we've been going on since 2010. And that's why it's called Master the Markets 2010. All our clients just stick with us for over 10 years, right? Because it's very quantitative quality material. For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below. Alright traders, so that's on Ethereum. So I'll just make this a bit more bigger. So that's great. So let's move on. I can see time is ticking on. I'll just look at the main ones. I looked at GBP US. This one here is actually a closed position at the moment. We actually closed it for a little bit of loss of about £54. We also updated that on our channel as well. So this one I will just put closed position and I'll put that in green, right? So that one is done gold. Please do refer back to our ideas section, which we have talked about here on the last one as well. Live trading session 233, gold trade closed, right? So you can take a look at that later on as well. Right, now going on forward, so I'm not really getting anything. Just quickly to close up on gold, downtrend at the moment. So again, what I will really do is I am going to be waiting for the bottom to confirm and then continuation move again. Okay, so that's what I am going to be looking at over here. So I will just edit that as of 21st August. What I'm going to be looking for continuation moves on daily in alignment with weekly. Weekly is DTP1. Right, there's a price structural failure in that, so I'll just save that very quickly. That's what we are having over there. Now coming back, now British pound. Now that is something interesting because we've been following this very, very closely, traders. Is this bottom going to hold on the weekly to become a confirmed bottom? We took this trade at 12710 and it's all recorded here. Every single day we are tracking it. Bitcoin low at 2616. Is it going to hold? And we've updated that. Carrying on, you see number 2 over here. You can see the same thing, number 2, and then we carried on to say number 3 and number 4. Right? All these things you can take a look at your free time. And so what is actually happening over here? We're holding on to this position at the moment, and I will update that onto the trade positions as well. And nice volume spike supporting that bottom. So this is the bottom you're looking at. Is it going to hold? 2616. So far so good. We're holding on to this. No trail so far. Let's going to quickly take a look on the 4 hour. Do we have any bottoms confirmed? As of now, yeah, that was the last one that confirmed just today in the last 1-2 hours. But in terms of the weekly, not really having, or I need some daily to show a bottom. So it's a bit of a long run here, so we'll just have to wait patiently before we can have any trailing. But we are on this trade and our stop loss is here. Entry is around this blue line based on the 4 hour confirmation close. As I said, refer to our ideas and our streams to understand all of this, why we're taking all of these trades. Now coming back, let me see on the euro dollar here. What do I have over here? Volume spike. Now, as I said, we were waiting for the top to confirm. We did get that as of last week. Now, that's a phase 2 now, UTP2. Waiting for the bottom now to confirm. Okay, so I will just quickly do that. Top, weekly top confirmed. And then I will say wait for daily bottom to confirm for UTP1, daily bottom to confirm for capturing weekly turning point towards weekly P1 move. Yeah, as of, we will just put 21st August 2023. Okay, so that's all we are doing over here. That's what we are doing here. Let me just put that, and I'll just put it here, and then that's that. So on the daily, all I'm looking for right now, traders, and I've got a volume spike here, also the potential buying coming in as well by the VSA light indicator. So I'll wait for a dot to confirm on the by the SMI, just like how we had over here, and then we had a very big massive move all the way forward. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing over here as well. We'll wait and see how that comes along. Okay, that's on euro dollar. I will update all of that as well onto the idea section. And then let me just take a look. S&P, what's happening on S&P? Not really anything at the moment. UTP2 is what I'm having, lower time frame. However, what we have on the lower time frame is that we have actually a structural failure, traders. Yeah, price structural failure. So it's actually a downtrend at the moment. So it's a downtrend phase 1 is what we are having over here. So what we are doing is, even if we did want to take this towards the long, if the bottom confirms, yeah, traders, towards the weekly trend, but I would say take it at a lower risk because the weekly structure has broken. Okay, so that's what I would be taking a look at. Right, so that's that one there. Let me just see. Now going on to Brent oil to finish up, do we have lower risk? I'm saying over here as well. Taken out this structure over here, this high. So at the moment, it's an uptrend phase 1 on the weekly. And in terms of daily, I need to wait for this bottom to confirm before we can take a continuation move towards the weekly as well. Okay, so that's all the things I'll be looking for. The only thing though, traders, on Brent oil, as I was taking a look just now before the recording, is that from the place where the confirmation came, it has run quite a bit. And at the moment, it is on a probability basis for it to continue. If you take a look, it's $7.40, right? So if I take a look at my open equity table here, for it to go to $8, there's only a 56% chance, which is still good because in terms of if I only take phase 1 moves, that probability will increase because this table is for all of the moves in total, right? Everything, phase 1, phase 2, compressions, everything. So in terms of that, so this will be a still some move left, I would say, but you can take it at a lower risk. Okay, so I'll update that as we go along as well. I guess that's pretty much that for me on the update, traders. So 2 things I'll remind you guys. One is definitely take a look at the streams as well. 7 steps to achieve consistent trading performance. I'll tell you all to start with that from part 1 to 7, and then take a look at the strategy construction later on. Other than that, very important, follow us on our Master the Markets 2010 channel as well over here. And also, you can follow us on here, and you can also take a look at our 5-day video course. If you're not sure of any of the terminologies that we have mentioned over here, this will all put it all together and also help you towards strategy construction. Your whole understanding will get more refined as well. All the things we teach are cross-transferable principles, so you can apply to anything. It actually enhances the way that you trade and the way you look at the markets for refined understanding, so that it all helps you towards consistent trading performance. All right, traders, I got to go. We got another webinar starting up that we got to do a live trading session on. Other than that, all I would say is till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.